Water conservation is one of the most pressing issues we face today. Every drop counts, and yet we waste billions of gallons daily. From leaky faucets to inefficient irrigation, our habits are draining this precious resource. But there's hope. Simple changes can make a big difference. Fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and collecting rainwater are just a few ways we can conserve. On a larger scale, policies like stricter regulations on water usage and incentives for sustainable practices can drive significant change. Communities are adopting smart technologies like smart meters and drought-resistant landscaping to optimize water use. Looking ahead, we need to prioritize education and awareness. Teaching future generations about the importance of water conservation will ensure they value this resource. Innovative solutions like desalination and wastewater recycling are also on the horizon, promising to expand our water supply sustainably. Together, we can tackle water conservation challenges. By making conscious choices today, we can secure a sustainable future for our planet and its most vital resource.
Do you see water conservation more as a technological challenge or more as a behavioral one?
I think water conservation is more of a behavioral challenge because we have good technology, but if people are not going to change their habits, it is not going to help a lot. There can be small measures if people are turning off the taps and they are avoiding wastage, so it is going to be a game changer. But if people are not going to do that, it is not going to affect anything. So I think behavior comes first.
So I agree with your point. Moving to the next. How can industries be encouraged to adopt serious water saving measures without just relying on regulations?
Okay. I think industries can be encouraged by showing them that saving water is not about only saving water, it is also about saving money, and it will also enhance their image in the market. So there can be small incentives or rewards that can also motivate them. But if people prefer to, buy from or purchase from eco-friendly companies, so it puts pressure on the industries. So I think this is how they are going to, they can be encouraged or they can be motivated.
So moving to the next. If you had to prioritize one sector, agriculture, industry, or urban use for conservation measures, which would it be and why?
I think I'll give priority to agriculture because it uses most of the water. And if there can be small changes in the farming method, it is going to save a lot of water. So, industries and cities are also important, but I think agriculture gives us the biggest chance to make a change. So, agriculture.
Why do you think water conservation is important and your thoughts on the future of water conservation?
I think water conservation is very important because the future of the life basically depends on the water conservation. And as the population is growing and the climate change is intensifying, so the demand for clean water is also rising. So that's why we should conserve water accordingly. And I think the future of water conservation depends on policy making, education, and public awareness.